Hello, today I'm going to cook a quick and delicious dish of rice noodles, chicken, and broccoli. We will also need peppers, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and zucchini. First, cook the broccoli for about 20 minutes. At this time, we slice the chicken. Fry the chicken in vegetable or olive oil. Chop the onion. Chop the carrots. Add the onion and carrot to the already slightly browned chicken. Simmer for a few minutes. Chop the sweet pepper. Chop the tomatoes. We cut the squash. Add everything to the pan and continue to simmer. We also cook rice noodles according to the recipe from the package. I boiled it for 5 minutes and then rinsed it with cold water. Add the broccoli to the pan with the chicken and vegetables and season a little with soy sauce. Mixing it up. Combine noodles and chicken with vegetables. Add salt and spices to taste.